While scores of people stream to vaccination centres to get their jabs, many remain uninspired. Charmaine Daniels is amongst those who have little faith in the vaccines.
No, not at all. I will not mess with my DNA. God gave us an immune system that can fight for itself.
Daniels works at an old age home, refusing to get vaccinated. She is concerned about her job security, but says it would be unfair to force her to take the jab just to save her job.
It would be unfair. And then people would be jobless sitting at home. It's your constitutional right not to be forced. You have the right to choose if you want to take the vaccine or not.
People like Daniels can exercise their right without fear. The Human Rights Commission has urged people to report employers who treat them unfairly for rejecting the vaccines. The acting Health Minister also warned against employers who might force workers to vaccinate.
We all have freedom of choice, and not one can force you to take the vaccine, not even your employer. So those who have raised concerns about potentially employers forcing employees to take vaccine, the position and the policy from government is that vaccine is voluntary. So you make a choice based on the information we provide you to be able to say, this is my right to take the vaccine, this is my choice to take the vaccine. And as you do that, whether you take the vaccine or you do not take the vaccine, please, we urge you not to infringe on the rights of others.
While some say no to the jab, many others choose to get vaccinated. 35 to 49-year-olds continue to dominate vaccination sites. Many flock to this centre as it accommodates walk-ins. 12 million people in this age group are eligible to get vaccinated. The target for the end of August is 7 million.
I have responsibility to have vaccinated, because we are living in the community and you never know.
The number of people getting infected and actually the people actually dying from the COVID-19. I think that is one of the things to say, I need to do something for myself, for other people, and protect other people.
Although fewer jabs were given this week, more than 7 million vaccine doses have already been administered. Government aims to vaccinate more than 1 million people over the age of 60 by the end of August. But there's concern about the low numbers of men over 50 who choose to get the jab.
And specifically a message to the men out there, we are not managing to reach that many men, specifically in the older age groups above 50. The men are not turning out in their numbers for vaccination, and we would really like to encourage men to come forward for vaccination.
Centres like this are preparing for an increase in walk-ins in the coming weeks. This as the country gears up to start vaccinating the 18 to 34 cohort in September. Walk-ins are urged to remember to bring the necessary documents such as IDs and passports. Those who want their second jab must also remember their vaccination cards. The department says no one will be vaccinated without verification. More and more people are flocking to vaccination sites like this one in the heart of the capital city. The centre has been accommodating large volumes of, in particular, the 35 to 49-year-olds. The centre has appealed to those who want to walk in to come early in the morning, as this makes it easier to plan for the rest of the day. Patricia Fasaki, SABC News in Pretoria.
South Africa